always ask me, di ba, dati na, bakit kita mahal? Like ko sasabihin sa'yo, wala akong reason. Or, for more than 10 years, you always ask me that. Every time you ask for validation na, ba't kita mahal? Pero always tell you, walang reason. And alam mo to, na mahal kita kasi my love for you goes beyond reason. Wala akong reason para mahalin ka. Ang alam ko lang, mahal kita.
As a gay kid who grew up in the 90s, watching a lot of Disney VHS movies, all of these Disney princesses seem to have their happy ending. It's too good to be true. I wanted to be a Disney princess. I want to have my own Prince Charming. I want to have a long-term boyfriend that I am proud of. And I want someone to hold my hand in public. Someone who can hug and kiss me. We don't have to hide our relationship.
I love you.
Love years na natin ngayon is araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Hindi magbabago yung pagmamahal ko. Pwedeng mas mahal kita ngayon, mas less na mahal kita. Pero mapapromise ko lang sa'yo, araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin tayo.
Yun, thank you sa dad ko kasi pumunta siya. Alam ko na masama pa pakiramdam niya pero pinilit niyang pumunta. And then, syempre, naging ever supportive yung mom ko sa event na to. So, maraming salamat. Love you both.
Paulo, I'm very proud of you. Yung mga accomplishment mo sa life, against all odds. And now you are here, the day of your loved one. The sweetest and the black.
Thank you, Daddy. I love you.
Okay.
Thank you for being my own Prince Charming, my Hercules. Thank you for being my happily ever laughter. And I promise that I will love you forever and ever and always. I love you, Ken. Dear Kenneth Mark Concepcion Lau, today is a very special and expensive day for us. In the eyes of God, our family, our friends, our workmates, and society, we are now one. But aside from fulfilling my biggest dream in life, you have checked and completed all my bucket list in life. I just wanted to be out in the open, accepted by my family. Number 2, have a strong and loyal friend, accepted by society. And number 3 is be independent and have a successful career that I am truly proud of. Sorry, last na to. Is to travel to other countries like Greece, Maldives, Egypt. You know this. Last 2, get married by age of 40. As you know, maybe a lot of you may not know, but Ken is the first serious and longest relationship that I ever had. You are the first and only person that I introduced to my parents formally as my boyfriend. Prior to meeting you, I consciously did not believe that gay love would work. But I was secretly hoping and wishing for our ever after.
Pagdating ng panahon, pag tayo na lang yung natira, tayo yung magkasama. At ako, pipiliin ko tayo lagi. Okay. That's my vow.
Dream ko talaga maging housewife. And you know, just take care of you and Daniel. Thank you for making almost all of my wish list come true.